Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to bundle products on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to increase your average order value by offering customers complementary products together, making their shopping experience more convenient while boosting your sales. First, you'll want to head over to shopify.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your store, as you'll need full access to install apps and modify your product offerings. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your Shopify store, from payments to apps and everything in between. Now, on the left side of the settings menu, click on Apps. This section allows you to manage all the applications integrated with your store. From here, click on Shopify App Store. This will open up Shopify's marketplace, where you can find thousands of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar, type Essential Upsell and look for the app called Essential Upsell and Cross-Sell. This app is specifically designed to help you create product bundles and increase conversions through strategic upselling. Once you've found it, click on the app to open its details page. Next, click Install. The system will redirect you to a new tab where a message will appear stating that Essential needs to access some personal and store data. This is standard for Shopify apps, as they need permission to integrate with your store. Go ahead and click Install to proceed. Now you'll need to wait for the installation to complete. This might take a few moments, so be patient while the app sets up and configures itself with your store. Once it's done, click Create Offer. This is where you'll start building your product bundle. You'll see different placement options, so choose Product Page and click Select this placement type. This ensures your bundle appears directly on individual product pages, where customers are most likely to add items to their cart. Click on Frequently Bought Together. This is the bundle type that shows customers which products work well together. You can customize your offer by naming it something descriptive and editing the content, including the title and the button text. Make these elements clear and compelling to encourage customers to take action. After that, go to the Offer tab. Here you can choose a trigger that determines when your bundle appears. You have options like all products, specific products, or products in specific collections. This flexibility allows you to target exactly which items you want to bundle together. Then under Offer, click Browse and select a product that you want to include in your bundle. Choose items that naturally complement each other to make the offer more appealing to customers. You can also add a discount type if needed. Options include percentage, fixed amount, or custom. Adding a discount can make your bundle even more attractive and increase the likelihood of purchase. Next, go to Design. This is where you can customize the visual appearance of your bundle offer to match your store's branding and aesthetic. Take your time here to ensure everything looks professional and cohesive. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Placement and then click Publish. You'll need to wait until the loading finishes, as the app processes your new bundle offer. Now you'll be prompted to select a plan. If you're just getting started, you can avail the free plan by clicking Start for free. This allows you to test the functionality without any upfront cost. Finally, publish the offer and your product bundle will go live on your store. Customers will now see the bundled products on your product pages, making it easier for them to discover complementary items and add more to their cart. And there you have it. You've successfully created a product bundle on Shopify that can help increase your sales and improve the customer shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.